How to write emails that generate a response. The key to getting a good response from your subscribers when you send them emails is to write each email as if you are writing to one person, and not to an entire list of people. When you write as if you're communicating to an entire list, there's no personal connection being made. When you write an email with just one person in mind, you make it personal and you get a much better response. Now, how do you do this consistently so you can make a personal connection in all of your emails? You have to focus on writing your emails as if you're writing to one person, not a group of subscribers. Imagine you are writing a personal email to a friend. Imagine if one of your friends is on your list. They signed up because they are interested in what you have to offer, and they want to hear from you. When you sit down to write an email, just imagine yourself writing a personal email to that one friend. Don't write to a group. Don't use words like my subscribers or my list. Instead, use the word you often, like you would if you were writing an email to a friend. Your subscribers will know they aren't the only person on your list, but when you address them individually and personally, they make a connection with you on a deeper level, and the level of trust and credibility will increase again. The deeper your connection can be with each of the individuals on your list, the better the response will be from your list as a whole.